time to give her a wash. Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to take your car or truck through a car wash. There's a lot of speculation that car washes are bad for your vehicle. People think that they can tear up the paint or leave scratches or dents or tear off your antenna or anything you may have on your car or truck. But today I'm going to show you how to go through a car wash safely and what you can do to make sure that these things don't happen. So what I'm going to recommend is, when I go through this car wash, this is an automated car wash where there's somebody there and you pay for the whatever you want, package or something, and it's going to go right through the tunnel. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is get what's called a wrap retract. Now basically what this is the wraps of the car, or the wraps of the tunnel, are retracted the whole time. So it sprays the chemicals, it sprays the water, the soaps, the tire shine, all that stuff. But the wraps that hit your car are actually retracted. So it's just a light brush or no brush at all. So it's called a wrap retract. So whenever you're at your car wash, ask for a wrap retract. So I'm actually gonna go to the car wash right now. I'm gonna go to City Wash here in Orlando, Florida, where they have a ton of cars all the time that come through, and you can ask for different special things, special upgrades, special cleaning products, whatever you want. There's one thing that I found out is, if you have like tow mirrors or side mirrors or antennas that you just don't want to get hit because they can knock off the cap or knock your antenna off or scratch your paint or whatever, ask for a wrap retract. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what that looks like. This guy, huh? 6-inch lift, some fuels, little ridge grapplers, got the tow mirrors in the front. Looks like he got some Alpha X tail lights in the back, and it looks like also he has Alpha X headlights and third brake light. Interesting. And rain guards. Very interesting. It's got a nice offset on that. Kind of like it. Not too aggressive, but the truck does look good. And he's got some Alpha X headlights there. Those are the ones that I'll be getting, except I'll be getting the Nova series, which is the upgraded ones. Alright, so here we go. If your car is really dirty, you can actually pull in here and just get it just washed off real quick. Just get the bugs off, stuff like that, by yourself. They have like all different brushes and stuff that you can use. I actually have a membership to this place. It's $10 a month, and I can go unlimited times. So I pretty much go all the time, really, because why not? And oh, just a quick disclaimer, this is 7'2" clearance, so if your truck is lifted, maybe pushing it. Also, if you have tow mirrors, I don't think you're gonna fit through here, because let me show you why. Let me just show you real quick what it looks like with my mirrors on both sides. So I'm gonna show you how tight this fit is. Look at this on this side, and then and there, like just like that. So I'm gonna go through here, and I already have a membership. So once you get to the front, I'm just gonna press no. Boom, completes the sale. And then this is gonna open up for me. And then when you get to the front, you're gonna talk to the guy and say, hey, can you do a wrap retract? And we're gonna show you what that looks like. So that's the tunnel right there. It's a pretty awesome wash. After, you can go get your mats cleaned, and you can use the carpet cleaner or the vacuum. You can use the mats, not the mats, you can use the towels for washing your glass windows. You can go through the second tunnel, which is the wax and polish if you want. And so yeah. So now what's going to happen here is he's going to direct you onto this moving grate right here, where it's going to grab your tires and it will do everything for you. So what you're gonna want to do is keep your hands off the wheel, keep your car in neutral, and just let it go. Keep the wipers off. So I'm actually gonna roll my window down because I'm about to say that I need a wrap retract. So here we go. It's gonna guide me. Wrap retract. He knows it. He's gonna go there and wrap retract. Just like that. He sees me every day. He knows exactly what to do. So I'm gonna spray my windows. So you can't really see, but those are the wraps right there. And now what's gonna happen is they're going to retract and they're not going to touch the truck at all. Maybe a little bit of slight on the windows, but nothing crazy. So it still sprays all the chemicals, still sprays the water, the tire shine, the wax, the polish, all that stuff. But the wraps have been retracted. So if you have tow mirrors, definitely not for you. If you have mirror caps, not for you. And it's actually pretty cool to watch this whole show that they got going on. So there you guys have it. As you saw, the wraps weren't able to, they didn't have to touch my car. There's a little bit, they hit the windows a little bit, but nothing like it's supposed to do, which is fine with me because my truck's never really dirty, so I don't really care for it to have like the spinning wraps on it. And plus I have the side mirrors with the caps on them, and I'm afraid that they're going to knock off. And also, I just have like the door handle covers on there. And so it's best that, you know, I just want the chemicals, I want the suds, I want the soaps. Like I said, my truck's never really dirty where it needs to be like scrubbed off. There's really no mud on it or anything, so that's fine with me. But yeah, that's how you guys do it. Wrap, retract. When you go to your local, you know, car wash, you can actually do it yourself if there's no person there. There's like a little option menu. They can do the whole wraps. They can do just the top. They can do they can take off the tire shine. They can take off, like, they can literally customize it to whatever really you want. So I think that's super cool. And yeah, love to see it. If any questions on the actual car wash, how do you guys wash your car, just let me know about that. I would love to hear about it. And other than that, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.